Hey everyone! In this video, let's see how you can search Twitter bookmarks using Tweetsmash. First, let's go to the Explore section and click on the search icon where you can see the input box in which you can search your tweets. First, start with keywords. Suppose I got a 2 minutes of time and I want to read tweets about entrepreneurs. Just type entrepreneur and give search. You can see the tweets with keyword entrepreneur popped up. Yeah. And I want to read tweets about some author, but I don't remember his name. Example, I want to read about Tony, who is famous in indie hacking, but I don't remember his username. So just give his name and click enter or search, and all of these tweets popped up here. Suppose I want a particular tweets about Tony's product. So give Tony and product and give search. Tada! The bookmarks with the Tony's tweets and with the keywords products are shown up. Suppose I want to still narrow down and have to read about Tony's product marketing. So and just type the keyword marketing and give search. You can see the bookmarks of Tony with the keywords product and marketing in this. Okay, I want to search in multiple languages. So what to do? Simple. You can search in all your favorite languages. For example, I'm searching this keyword in Japanese and give search. Yeah, super. Here you can see the keyword is matched here. You can search in Japanese, Chinese, Korean, Hindi, German, all in your favorite languages. You can also filter tweets with particular authors. For say, I want to see all the Simon tweets here. You can also filter with media, threads, links, notes, which is a long form of tweets, and type and year and authors, labels, and you can also sort tweets based on the ascending and descending of the tweets. I hope you got a quick overview of how to use search, filter, and sort Twitter bookmarks. See you soon. Bye bye.